Here we are, Jalagachi Fish Market. So we're going to be touring through and getting a view of all of this fish and different stuff. So just testing out to see whether it works or not. Good morning, team, and welcome to Jagalachi Fish Market, largest fish market in South Korea. Huge port here in Busan. So we're going to go on along and see what have we got inside. Fairly early this morning, so we're going to be pretty much the only people in here. Already you got these Kawa style conch, crabs, scallops. Over on this side, fishies. Obviously seafood is huge here. We got lots of coast. That's it, they're all in there. Wow. Crab stuff, I wouldn't even know what is that. Let me know in the comments. What is all of this fish market? These guys are in here. It's been awesome here in South Korea. Last night, tonight, before we fly to Japan. So we got these. So yeah, it's just phenomenal. Heaps of those big fish in there. So they must live in here. We've already been outside and you're getting a lot of dudes on scooters picking it up. So doing all the deliveries for the restaurants. Yeah, RIP. This is how the fish actually gets to you. If you're eating fish, is eels in here. Wow. Crabs. Sashimi masters cutting up the fish. Nice. These are very popular, you see them everywhere. I'm not entirely sure. Little baby squids. And assume later on you could actually get, look at the size of this crab. Does seem a shame, but you know, circle of life, we can't affect it. And just show it off. Whoa, look at all these finely cool fish in here. Flatfish. Those look like I'll make the snapper in there. More eels. Trying to swim out. Lots of octopusi. Here we go. More of these cool fish. Clams, you reckon, Stu? Pawa?
Abalone.
Abalone, they refer to it as over here. Lots of it. Huge amount of crabs. Lobster. That's it. So you can see it goes for miles. We've brought down one very small part of it already. There you go, more eels. People work so hard. Here's the monument to Yongdong-sun, who was the naval commander in the late 15th century that came up with the turtle ships that were at the museum and repelled the Japanese invasion from 600 years ago, 550 years ago. Very awesome.
Alright guys, what we'll do, we'll walk along.
South Korea's Gold Coast. We're going to go for a walk. We're going to be going up that building there. Just come from the train station there. Yeah, looks lovely. Should we get in the ocean? About 10 degrees. Janine's keen for ocean, eh?
Absolutely. So used to everything.
What's going on?
This is like an actual yeah. Best
Busan the sky.
Oh, nice painting. Thank you.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Really?
I don't like
Holy crap.
Check it out. Boom. What's going on? Busan in the sky.
What do you think that is?
Alright. Now walk around the tower, give an idea of just how massive it all is. Hey dear Hannah, happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray!
There's not much chance there, I don't think. I think the further down we go, Jason, the better chance.
On the beach train from Busan to Sandong Beach, so you can see the skywalk that's out there. It's a very cool tourist beach, so we're right up the front with the driver. That's it, right on the ocean. Everybody's enjoying it down there. We've got most of the crew down there. Check out the skywalk though, we don't have the time to do it unfortunately. We're heading to the beach.
Now you're
Yeah,
approaching
man.
the spot where North Korean spy ship infiltrated in 1985.
Ah, this is where the
The exit is on your right.
there we go.
도를 향하고 있습니다.
Wow, that
부덕포는
looks awesome.
감성적인 분위기의 식당과 카페들이 많이 있어 바다 감상과 함께 추억 만들기에 좋은 곳입니다. 한적한 분위기의 부덕포 반사지에서 산책을 해보시는 건 어떨까요?
The next stop is Kudokpo. You'll find many attractive and nice restaurants and cafes here. We also recommend taking a walk to Kudokpo breakwater in a quiet atmosphere to make a good memory.
우리 열차는 마주오는 열차를 비켜가니까
아, 이거 맨날 뜨는데 왜 살이 안 빠져?
근데 스마나오네 같지 않아?
저 6.25 때 6.25 때 있잖아. 그게 있었어.
Welcome to Shed Life, my friends. We're on Songdong Beach outside of Busan in South Korea, and I thought I'd just show you this cool steel shed that I came across. Mixture of steel and timber, open-sided, but you can see the raw iron work in there. I just thought that was really impressive how they've done that. Suffering, we're near the ocean, so the ocean's just out through there. But still really cool, reminds me of Victorian Railway Station, which is probably where it was originally built from. All these rivets, you don't get much old architecture over here in Korea due to the war, but this one was really cool, and I thought just an awesome example of a great shed done right. So cheers Korea, beautiful shed.
That's right.
3, 2, 1, it's 9 degrees in Busan. We're being challenged to get in the water. Let's make it happen. All right, water was beautiful. It was great. We loved it. Stu got out first. No one managed to get in. What do we think? Girls, Hannah, Georgia.
On the cooler side.
Yeah, Miss Moller got in there. It was great. We nailed Busan. Jasmine's off shopping. Bless.
객실 내에 서 계시는 고객님께서는 안전을 위해 반드시 손잡이를 잡아주시기 바랍니다. 고객 여러분, 부산 김해경전철 유실물 시스템이 로스트 112로 통합 운영됩니다. 분실하신 물건은 로스트 112를 통해 쉽고 빠르게 찾으실 수 있습니다. 부산 김해경전철 홈페이지에 로스트 112 전화를 클릭하시면 자동 연결되어 많은 이용 바랍니다. 부산과 김해를 잇는 부산 김해 경전철을 통해 두 도시의 다양한 문화생활을 누리시기 바랍니다. 괴법 르네시대역과 대저역에는 다양한 축제와 철새를 관람할 수 있는 낙동강 하구 생태공원과 체육공원이 있습니다. 공항역과 박물관역 구간에서는 국립기내박물관과 입수로와 등 가야의 숨결을 느낄 수 있는 다양한 문화유산을 만나.
Boom, we're on to T-Way flights.